Welcome to Selling Edge. This is Salim Sheikh here, sales training consultant and coach. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting and useful technique called a psychological shift. And to understand psychological shift, we also need to understand as to how do we experience our life. We experience our life through our five senses, that is eyes, nose, touch, plus taste and smell. Now, depending upon which sense we are using, there are different learning styles which has been developed. For example, if you are learning through seeing certain things, you have a visual learning style. If you are learning through hearing, you have an audio learning style. If you are learning through doing certain things, you have a kinesthetic, and similarly we have gustatory and olfactory. But important three styles that we have is visual, kinesthetic, and thirdly is the audio style. Now we take experience through all these three styles particularly. Now what happens, let's assume a situation where you go to a customer and you are explaining your product. And you did a great job in finding out what are the needs, and then you amplified the need, and then you are ready to talk about the product. But somehow you feel that the customer is not interested or not convinced. Now you will realize that in this particular scenario, he is experiencing your sales call only through his audio learning style. Now, if you can expose him to more learning styles, there is a probability that the interest of the customer can be increased, and probably you will be able to close the call also. Now, apart from your auditory or whatever you are speaking, you can also use some of the videos, brochures which are there. You can use demos. You can give sample in his hand, ask him to try it out. So what you are doing now, apart from the audio style that he is using and experiencing your call, he is also using his other learning styles like kinesthetic as well as the visual. Now, because of the entire experience, there is a possibility now the perception of the customer might change. Okay, I will give you an example. Suppose you go to a mango shop, and now you are standing in front of a mango shop looking at those mangoes, and you find those mangoes a bit dirty. And you feel that the mangoes may not be good, and then you decide to move out of the shop. Now the shopkeeper observes you, and he realizes that you are looking at the mangoes and you haven't liked the look of that. And he calls you and says, "Babuji, रुकिए, mango कैसे दिखते हैं उस पे मत जाइए. Don't look at the mangoes how they look." And then he says, just take this mango and smell it. Now, when you take the mango and smell it, you really find it really beautiful. And then not only that, he also cuts that mango and gives you to taste. And it was phenomenal, fantastic mango that you had. Now, initially you must have seen that it was only the visual experience that you had, and you came to a conclusion that I should not be buying those mangoes. But the moment you had the other two senses involved into experiencing that, you found that your perception changed, and you decided to buy those mangoes. Not only this, there is another example. You go to any garment store, and when you look at those clothes, you will find that sometimes you like the color, but sometimes you are a little doubtful about some of the clothes that the vendor has shown you. Now this guy tells you, "Sir, हाथ लगा के देखिए, just touch it." And when you touch it, you find it very superior quality. And since you have involved one more sense of yours, you will find that your decision might change. Now, psychological shift is nothing but ensuring that the customer experiences your sales call through different learning styles. So be ready with all the tools that you have, and try to use not only that what you are talking and your script that which is there, but apart from that use your visual aids, brochures, videos, demo packs, samples. So together there will be a enriching experience that the customer will have, and the chances of closing the sale will be very high. So try it out. I am sure that you will get success. Thank you so much, and all the best.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And for more professional updates, follow our LinkedIn.